Cryptocurrency isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's a thriving financial ecosystem, and Coinbase remains a leading gateway to profit. Whether you're a beginner looking for passive income or an active trader seeking big wins, there are multiple ways to make real money. Take the case of Jake, a 29-year-old freelancer who turned his $1,000 investment into $2,500 in just a year by staking Ethereum and trading altcoins on Coinbase. Or Lisa, who made an extra $500 per month simply by holding and staking Solana. Here's how you can do the same. Invest long-term, hodling, in top coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, trade actively using Coinbase Advanced Trade for lower fees, or stake coins like Solana and Cardano for passive rewards. You can also earn free crypto through Coinbase Earn, refer friends for commissions, or dive into Web3 and NFTs. Even with a small starting capital, strategic investing and smart staking can lead to real gains. The key? Stay informed, secure your assets, and take advantage of every earning opportunity Coinbase offers. Want to start your journey to financial freedom? It's time to take action. In 2025, you can make money from Coinbase in several ways, depending on your risk tolerance, investment strategy, and level of involvement. Here are some key methods. 1. Buying and holding, long-term investing, hodling. Purchase cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, or Solana, SOL, and hold them for price appreciation. Store your assets in a secure Coinbase wallet or transfer them to a hardware wallet for extra security. Focus on projects with strong fundamentals and use Coinbase's recurring buys to dollar cost average, DCA. 2. Trading on Coinbase Exchange, short-term gains. Use Coinbase Advanced Trade for lower fees and advanced trading tools. Trade actively by analyzing price charts, using stop losses, and setting buy-sell orders. Look for short-term price movements to capitalize on volatility. 3. Staking rewards, passive income. Stake supported coins like Ethereum, ETH, Cardano, ADA, or Solana, SOL, to earn rewards. Coinbase automatically distributes staking rewards, but fees apply. Compare returns with decentralized platforms to maximize profits. 4. Coinbase Earn, learning rewards. Watch educational videos on new crypto projects and earn free tokens. This is an easy way to get exposure to new cryptocurrencies. 5. Yield farming and DeFi integration. Use Coinbase Wallet to access decentralized finance, DeFi platforms. Provide liquidity or stake assets in DeFi protocols for higher returns. 6. Coinbase Referral Program. Invite friends to Coinbase using your referral link. Earn a commission when they buy crypto. 7. NFTs and Web3 opportunities. Buy and sell NFTs on Coinbase NFT Marketplace. Participate in new Web3 projects that launch on Coinbase. 8. Coinbase One, subscription benefits. If you trade frequently, subscribe to Coinbase One for zero trading fees and priority support. 9. Institutional investing and business accounts. If you run a business, accept crypto payments via Coinbase Commerce. Institutional investors can explore Coinbase Prime for customized investment solutions. 10. Arbitrage opportunities. Buy crypto at a lower price on Coinbase and sell at a higher price on another exchange, after considering fees. Tips for success. Manage risks. Crypto markets are volatile, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Secure your assets. Enable 2FA, store assets in secure wallets, and be cautious of scams. Stay updated. Follow Coinbase announcements for new earning opportunities.